Hi friends. In this video, you will see one of the several budget hotels at Patong Beach in Phuket. This is Hotel Red Planet, located on Rach Youthit 200p Road, and is approximately 1 kilometer from Soi Bangla. It is possible to walk from the hotel to Bangla Road in about 15 minutes. So, the location is alright if you don't mind walking a little every day. A standard room here costs between 1500 and 2500 Indian rupees. These prices are higher compared to Red Planet hotels in other cities, but for that matter, in Phuket, everything is more expensive. Let me show you the room I got here. This is a typical Red Planet property, with small rooms, no restaurant, and no tea, coffee or drinking water in the room. But the bed is comfortable, with 2 side tables, a TV, and a mirror in the front, a hanger stand instead of a wardrobe, a digital locker, and a hair dryer. There is also this small folding table next to the bed, which can be used as a dining table or a work desk. My room had a small window with a view of the road outside, and that was perhaps the high point of the room. There was a split air conditioner to cool the room, but in this hotel, the air conditioner turned out to be a problem. I will explain that a little later. Let me show you the bathroom first. The bathroom, as in all Red Planet hotels, was compact but clean. It had a separate shower unit, hot and cold water, and a 3-in-1 soap dispenser. The room was cleaned every day, and 2 fresh towels were provided. As such, the housekeeping was okay. Now, the problem with the air conditioner. I was disappointed to find out that the temperature of the air conditioner in the room could be changed only up to a couple of degrees. For a change outside the range, I had to go to the front office staff and request them. That was unacceptable, and after a few minutes of arguing with the staff, they agreed to give me a remote control. So, they do have remote controllers for the air conditioners, but those are kept with the staff and not given to the guests. In my opinion, this policy of the hotel cannot be justified in any way. I would really like to know your views on this. If you need any other information about this hotel, or want to share your feedback, please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe for more such content in the future. Many thanks for watching.